Good morning. I just did my hair. I just fixed my bangs because they were a little crazy and put on some gloss and some mascara. Outfit is on. You know me, I'm always wearing my jean shorts. The time has come to take this kid. I was supposed to go to the gym today, but that's not gonna happen. I'm just gonna work out at home. So let me just change real quick. And we're ready. Put my hair up so we can get this workout started. My hair's getting so long. Also, I think I might dye black. I'm not sure yet. I still have hair dye in the bathroom, so I'm gonna use that one. But once that one's out, I'm dyeing it black. Y'all, I don't want to get this workout in. I'm debating if I should just go to the gym right now or if I should just get going because I really don't want to do it. I mean, I'm already dressed, you know, like... Today's workout is done.
How was it? How was it?
Do you hear it in my voice? I said it was cold. I wanted to like go in, but those things are strong. It was getting really, really hot.
The weights?
Good morning. Do I want to be up right now? Absolutely not. I want to be in bed. I just got this book that I've been seeing literally all over my TikTok For You page. You guys, you don't understand. This book is so good. It kind of just confirms a lot of the stuff that I've already been doing when I was starting my healing journey and starting my inner work and all that. And it's just crazy how a lot of the stuff that he talks about in here about like your thoughts having power. I love that part that it talked about taking your power back and like claiming it back and becoming that magnet of what you've given out to come back to you. Yo, I thought it was gonna be like one of those like spiritual woo-saw like type of books, but honestly it's based off of case studies. A lot of the things that he's talking about in here is back the fuck up. So yo, I'm not done yet and I'm already like passionate about it. But honestly, I give it so far, the fact that I'm already on the 3rd chapter and I just got it last week, that's a good sign for me that the book is good. So far I give it like a solid like a 6 out of 10 right now, because I'm not entirely sure what I'm gonna be, where I'm gonna be at towards the end or while I continue to read it. Like one of my favorite things he talked about here, let me see if I can find the way that he puts it into like perspective is like that we are creatures of habit, right? So if there's something that lightens us up, it can be anything, good or bad, right? We're gonna constantly be wanting to get that feeling over and over again like a drug, right? So like that TikTok that says yo, I need to feel something. Tell me something. I need to feel something. And the guy says something, right? The other guy says something, and then the person's like, yep, that'll do it. It's like a drug, like a hit that you're getting from that feeling because you need to feel something. But we are also humans, meaning we also fail. We're also at fault, right? Because there are things that we may unconsciously be doing without even realizing that it's actually what it's leading us to lack or leading us to fear or leading us to more stress. Yo, this book is so good. Like, this is my type of book. This is definitely my type of book. I have cherries. I think I'm gonna create some like fruit fillers today just because I have a lot of fruit chilling in my fridge. So I'm gonna look up some photos of like fruit aesthetic photos and take those photos today. Okay, I'm a professional. She's not a professional. What's your DJ name again?
DJ Garrapata. Sin despegarse de la música.
Let me find out you're lying.
Pretty good.
It's IPA, but it's good.
It's really soft IPA.
They're a hard mic.
He's gonna ice you.
Oh yeah, that's it.
What do you want to say to the camera?
We're having a blast.
Are we really?
And yes, we are. We've been here pretty much all day, but
You're gonna stay all night.
no, the night's not over yet.
You don't know where he's going at all.
I thought he was gonna.
No. Look, give me on camera. Angel said that he don't know what he's doing at all.
In life?
In life or
No,
in
and DJ. DJ. So he's over there trying to set up. So he needs your assistance over there.
Híjole.
He needs you, babe.
You guys want some tacos?
Does anybody want tacos? Hey.
And he's gonna do the DJ and you're gonna back up.
There you go. You have been hired.
I've been hired.
Yeah. I'm sorry. You're welcome. I'm getting you content.
She's the camera woman, okay? You should get the DJ.
Today I am David Dobrik with the hat.
Who's Mike?
My dick.
I take care of plants. I got a bunch of plants in my place. So I take them out for their sun, baby, and I put them back in. I give them like an hour outside. Yeah, I put them back in. You know.
You feed your plants.
Yeah. I measure the water. That's what I got. Each one gets a different amount of water.
One time I didn't do it for like 4 weeks and it survived. How? I don't know. It said, you need me more than I need you. I'm gonna survive for you.